Until now, managing an end-to-end work process for risk, inspection, scheduling, and work execution within your enterprise management solution was not an option. AsInt and SAP have solved this problem for you. Over the last 5 years, SAP has released the Intelligent Asset Management Suite, while AsInt has developed asset integrity applications that are fully embedded within the platform. This ensures users can leverage the full power of SAP while applying a seamless integrity management program. Today, all other solutions on the market create data silos that need to be connected to or integrated with SAP, leaving only AsInt as a genuinely seamless end-to-end planning and execution with a single solution and master data set. The AsInt apps provides the ability to trace strategy development recommendations directly to work orders, notifications, or inspections, while closing the loop with a strong plan, do, check, act, work process. This provides visual traceability for the end user, showing what work has been completed, overdue, or deferred. If needed, the visualization of the data provides for a strong management of change process. And let's not forget unscheduled activities. Just as important as the planned activities, the solution also allows for addressing unplanned inspections and maintenance as well, closing the loop and automatically resetting the next due date without using a third-party solution. While this may seem obvious, until the AsInt solutions were introduced on the SAP Intelligent Asset Management platform, OEMs of existing software solutions have lacked the ability to manage this critical data and work within the SAP Master Data. This innovative approach completely removes data silos, streamlines work processes, and provided a more sustainable solution over a long period of time. AsInt and SAP's innovative cloud-based solutions allow for a highly adaptable work process, utilizing templates to represent equipment, assessments, planning rules, remedials, and inspections. This ensures asset-intensive organizations can localize the work process while globalizing and scaling within a single data set. To find out more, go to asint.net or send an email to info@asint.net.